This is Jenna. Jenna and her friends entered their school's competition. Their task was to create a song or poem on the theme Our Historical Culture. They decided to use a famous poem about our culture by Miss Lou as the lyrics and a reggae track from the famous Hot Track Productions as the tune to record a song called Fui Culture for the competition. They posted it on YouTube and other platforms. After a few days, their video went viral and they started to earn money from the download. They decided to print the song lyrics with original artwork on t-shirts, bookmarks, and booklets. These items would be sold at a launch party, with music being provided by a DJ and a live performance by a popular artist. After a few days, the managers at Miss Lou's estate and Hot Track Productions found out about Fui Culture and the launch party. They threatened to take legal action. Jenna and her friends thought Miss Lou's estate and Hot Track Productions were joking, but this was not so. This is a case of copyright infringement. According to the Copyright Act of Jamaica, copyright infringement is the use or production of copyrighted material without the permission of the copyright holder. The copyright holder is the original creator or publisher of a piece of work. Legal action can be taken by the right owner against the infringer. What Jenna and her friends did is called copyright infringement because they used work from Miss Lou and Hot Track Productions without their permission. This is why both parties threatened to take legal action. 3 things Jenna and her friends can do to avoid infringing someone's work are: 1. They can write to both parties seeking permission to use the works. If they have permission, there will be no problem using it. Getting permission is also called obtaining a license. 2. They can negotiate with both parties to share a percentage of the profits with them since they are monetizing it. 3. They can educate themselves and others on the copyright guidelines or laws to guide future projects. One way to avoid copyright infringement is to remember, if it's not yours, don't use it unless you have permission. It is important to get a copyright license because it grants legal permission to make copies of the work or to perform or play the work in public. The license spells out the extent of the permission granted. In Jamaica, you can obtain a copyright license from any of the following CMOs: the Jamaican Copyright Licensing Agency for Text and Images, the Jamaica Association of Composers, Authors and Publishers for Lyrics and Musical Composition, and the Jamaica Music Society for Recorded Music. Jenna and her friends learned their lesson, and from that day on, they always made sure to follow the copyright law. Don't be like Jenna and obtain your copyright license today.